I thought that in 2020 I wanted to do something for myself and to go a little bit inwards and work on the goals that I want to set myself for 2020 to become the best version of myself. Instead of going on a holiday to to lay on the beach and be lazy, I thought no, I would come do this to take some time out for myself. My favorite activity was digging in the garden with gardener Tiago and with the whole crew today. That was really rewarding because we started from scratch, and after 2 hours had this beautiful garden bed, and that makes me really want to go back in a couple months' time to actually see basically the result of what we did. The biggest takeout or the biggest lesson was probably how much you can actually learn from listening to others as well, how important sharing is, and also that we're all the same in a way, like we're all striving towards the same goal in a way, and if there is division between people, it's because of misunderstandings, and that we always have to go back to the core of, that we are basically all the same. And it's a beautiful thing because then you can all be happy together. The retreat facilitators were great. No, they were awesome. We had 4 beautiful facilitators, and they really spent a lot of time with us the whole week and spoiled us, which we felt really bad about this because we were like, oh my god, we're getting so much. But it was great. You could really feel how much passion they put into what we were doing the whole week, and we could learn a lot about everything from it. I think the biggest thing was actually in the end of the retreat to sit down and write down the goals, how you want to move forward, and really have something that you go home with and can look at again and again. And what we got here this week was the tools pretty much, and now it's about going home and practicing and implementing it. Do it. So if someone's thinking about joining the retreat, I would absolutely just say, just do it. You can only win.